Hey.
Look at those kids. Look at those kids. There's Steven and his girlfriend Victoria, who are both slowly trying to climb out of their chairs, and they were eating pudding. So cute. Hi, cuties. Ah! I lost the two of you. There they are. They had a grand old time for dinner, and there one goes. Hey, Steven, let me see your face. Oh, you're cute. Yeah, I see you. Oh, you want to see it? Yeah, that's you. And there he is, falling on his chair doing laundry. Look at that cutie face. Look at that cute face. He's got a haircut. Little feet. Yeah, show out your haircut. Looks good on you too. Whoa. Oh, and there's Victoria, who is completely covered in chocolate pudding. There they are together. Hey, Steven, can you give Victoria a kiss? Oh, I got it. Do it again. Do it again. Kiss again. Another kiss. Another kiss. No kissing. Oh, well, they were being cute. Are you going to wipe her face for her? Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, you two, can you say bye-bye, camera? Bye, camera.